Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to send money from bank account to Revolut. To receive money locally or internationally, open Revolut and tap the bank icon labeled Details. That's where your bank information appears. I'm not opening it here as it shows personal details. Share those details with the sender. They can use your IBAN or, in the UK, your sort code and account number to transfer the money. If you're transferring from your own bank, it's even simpler. Go to the home screen and tap on Add Money. You'll be taken to the payment page. It may be set to Apple Pay by default, so tap Change to see other options. From there, choose Easy Bank Transfer, which lets you move money directly from your bank account. Next, enter the amount you want to add and press Continue. Then select your bank from the list. After choosing your bank, you'll be redirected to your banking app or website to approve the payment and finalize the transfer. That's the process for sending money from your bank account to Revolut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.